In this video I'm going to show you how to determine the end reactions, or the calculating the beam loading, create the beam diagram, calculate the end reactions, calculate the maximum moment using MD-Solids. So we're going to go through the interior, if we scroll down here, the interior beam, include the loading and beam diagrams. That's going to come right out of MD-Solids. You'll print it off, put it in your engineering notebook. So the interior beams are all of these through here, right? And these are all spaced 6 feet 8 inches apart. So the tributary width of these beams is 6 feet 8 inches, or 6.66 feet. So that'll tell you how much area of the floor this beam on the inside is required to hold up. So if I'm looking at my dead load is 50 pounds per square foot, and my live load is 100 pounds per square foot, we're going to add that to be 150 pounds per square foot. We're going to multiply that by my tributary width, and that's going to give us our total load per lineal foot as I go across this beam. So the total load on this beam per foot is 150 times 6.66, and that comes out to be around 1,000 pounds. Excuse me. So 1,000 pounds per foot as I go across here. This beam is going to be responsible for holding up 18,000 pounds total, since this is 18 feet long. All right, so let's take this into MD-Solids, and I'm going to go into determinate beams. These are simple beams supported on both sides, so I'm selecting this. It is 18, don't forget to change this to feet, 18 feet long. The left supports at 0 feet, the right supports at 18 feet. I'm going to enter this. So this is a distributed load, so I'm going to choose this. And so the first two on the interior beams, interior and exterior beams, it's in uniform load. On my girders, they're going to be point loads, and we'll go over that in another video. But a uniform load from 0 to 18 feet at 1,000 pounds per foot. Enter, and these are the end reactions that I need, 9,000 pounds on each end of the beam with a maximum moment of 40,500. So at this point you'll print this. We'll go File, Print, and we're going to print the diagrams, and I want you to put your name on this, and we'll call it Interior Beam Diagram. Next, print. And that is everything that you need for basically number 1 and number 2 for this interior beam. That's going to give us the loading and beam diagrams. It's going to give us the end reaction and the maximum moment. The next steps are going to be another video, step 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So keep an eye out for those. And that's all.